In this video, I'm gonna show you the latest update I've made to the Camera3D Toolkit Pro plugin. This is a game changer. Honestly, the best update I could have made to this plugin. We're officially moving to version 3.0. If you already have the previous version, you'll see a notification pop up directly in the plugin interface to download the new version. Just click the button and the download starts automatically. It's super smooth now. No need to dig through your files or the emails you received when you purchased. Quick heads up, you might see two notifications when you first open the plugin. If that happens, just close the window and reopen the plugin to get the right notification. Then hit download and you're good to go. In V3, I've made a lot of improvements across different sections like spacing, camera shake, match cut, and more. But in this quick tutorial, I really want to show you the speed ramp feature. I'm not going to make this video too long, just a quick overview so you understand how it works. I'll do a more detailed tutorial later. The plugin is still 33% off for Black Friday, so make sure you take advantage of that. Let me grab an example with this video clip I downloaded. It's a bit small, let me scale it up. This clip is about 13 seconds long and it's already stabilized. By the way, I always recommend stabilizing your clips before adding any speed ramp effects. Adding a speed ramp is super easy. There are several buttons, but let me show you the quickest method. I place my playhead here, hit the button, and it automatically adds a point. Then I move forward, add another one, move forward again, add another. You can do whatever you want. It's really intuitive. Now let's look at the result. See that? I just created a speed ramp in a few clicks. Here, you have the easy in and easy out options to control the curves. Let me show you. When I adjust these, you can see the speed gradually increases or decreases. You can also display different curve types depending on the effect you're going for. If I turn off the smoothing, you'll see the difference. You can also add music to make it even more dynamic. And here, you can see there's an effect called Faux Motion Blur. You can adjust the blur intensity and other settings. All right, that was a quick preview. In the next video, I'll walk you through all the other buttons and how to use them in detail. Don't forget to grab the plugin in the description. It's 33% off right now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.